The switching intervals it will be in the audio range 10 microseconds. The time taken to switch between the different values, right? So that is in the order of microsecond. It is going to switch very fast. So because of this fast switching, you hear a popping sound. So when you connect a loudspeaker or when you connect a headset to this such a receiver, you can hear the popcorn bursting noise coming from these devices, which is going to be because of the popcorn noise. Okay, and the 10 microsecond is very small time for our ears to identify it. So you will hear there's a continuous popping sound with some variation. Suddenly the popping amplitude will be less, it will increase less, it will be constant. So it will be completely random in nature. So since the sound produced by this system is similar to popping sound in a popcorn maker, it is also called as burst noise or popcorn noise. See how it is very easy to remember the names of these noises, and the phenomenon also, it is because of that only, how a popcorn is made. The same thing is happening inside the semiconductor devices also. So some devices exhibit little or no popcorn noise, but some will show larger value because of doping. So even doping, I told you, if you're going to dope with, if you're going to make it as an acceptor impurity or a donor impurity, it depends on what N type or what P type elements you're going to dope. Some elements will never give this noise, but some elements like gold, when you do doping, it is going to produce enormous amount of noise. And how can I control this popcorn noise? Only by using a proper uh, cleaning process in the device fabrication. So if you ensure that apart from doping material, no other noise is going to enter my semiconductor, that itself will reduce the popcorn noise. So you have something called as clean room. In semiconductor manufacturing companies, if you go, you have something called as clean room. So people used to enter the clean room will have to disinfect themselves. They have to wear a special jacket and they have to go and do their job in fabricating semiconductors, because whatever dress they are going to wear, that will have lot of impurities and ions. So if they go with that dress inside the clean room, that will spoil the complete semiconductor fabricating mechanism. So they have to disinfect themselves and then wear a special type of cloth which is also disinfected, and then they have to enter the company and start working with the semiconductor devices. So by ensuring a very good cleaning mechanism or a proper fabricating technology, you can control this popcorn noise and you can never make it